Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit the landscape photo, this photo, and already I have done a edit like that. Okay, that means the before one and after one, and this one is and you can use it easily, and I am using the Photoshop Creative Cloud versions 2017, or you can get any kind of Creative Cloud version, camera raw filter, and you can use it easily and easiest way. So let's start. Just making a copy by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag this layer and just drop in these new layer options, and after that go to the filter and camera filter. Those who are using the Photoshop CS6, they can have to install the creative that means the camera filter manually, so they can install that manually and use these settings. Okay, after that here is the highlighted portion, and I will de-highlight this one by just decreasing the exposure a little bit and add some contrast and highlight also, and shadow. I'll add shadow just because of the beach photo. There are lots of shadows, and actually the empty area they just got the shadows, that's why. And I'll reduce the blacks, and after that here's the temperature and tint. You can make it a little bit cool and like that. Okay, after that I'm going to the HSL option, add some just blue saturation, and luminance I'll reduce of the blue, and hue of the blue I'll give this like, okay, and the saturation of orange I'll add, luminance of orange I'll reduce, and the saturation of red I'll give that like an yellow like that. And after that the effects, from the effects I'll dehaze this one a little bit like that, +11, and add some vignette over there. And after that again I'll go to the basic options, and highlight I'll reduce a little bit, and the exposure I'll little bit down, and variance and contrast I'll give like 5 or 3, or if you give 3, and you should give the 6 in a saturation. So okay, that's good. And camera calibration, you can add camera calibration a little bit, -12 plus the primary green +10 and primary red like that. Okay, let's see the before and after. The before one and after one, actually you are getting like that. Okay, the main technique is that you have to make it more cool, or you can just de-highlight the photos and adjust the lights with that, and you can make it like a little bit warmy, that is -8, and just +3 or 2, that's good, and hit the OK button. Let's see the previous one and after one. It's too much easy to use. Okay, and after that I'll go to the adjustment layer and the levels. From the levels I'll add some like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, one thing is that the horizontal line is not properly in a straight way, so I'll go to the crop tool and just easy cropping options or free cropping option, and I'll give like that and hit the tick button. Okay, that's good. Let's see the previous one and the after one. Okay, after that I'll do some just color correction, or the just curve correction. Go to the adjustment layer again and curves. From the curves option, the blue curves, select this one, just point out over there and give like that. That's good. And select all the things, make it group, and make it merge, or take a snapshot over there, Ctrl+Shift totally. And in this window you are now just getting the shortcut keys on the downside of the window. Okay, one thing is that if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and you'll get just new tutorials when I'll publish my tutorials. Okay, and I'm then going to the filter and the nick collection. Google nick collection, it's free plugins and you can install it on your Photoshop. I'll give you the download link of nick collection in my video description, so check it out and go download that. Okay, here is I'm using the cross processing filters and lots of methods over there. I'm using methods like you can use this one. I will use this one actually, and you can control the strength like that and hit the OK button. Okay, it's loading. If your PC configuration is not too high, so please don't use the plugins, otherwise it will lag your PC or hang. It may be hang on your PC. Okay, after that I'll go to the color lookup. From the color lookup I'll add the foggy night effect just because of the highlighted and shadow properly, and just make the opacity down like that. Okay, and select all the things, make it group, make it merge. Okay, let's see what was the previous one, the main non-edited image, and after that you are getting this type of image. Okay, so that's all today. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question or query, please do comment on my video comment section, and do subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Till the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.